What's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another POV drive in the 340. Man, I just want to start off by saying thank you guys so much on the last video. It actually went crazy. I remember I uploaded that video with like 26 subscribers or something. Now we're at 100, and that video had 4K views. So I'm just super grateful. Thank you for you guys for supporting me and doing that, helping me out. I hope y'all can enjoy this this POV drive. I'm trying to go right here a little bit in the back roads, get a couple of clips, but I hope y'all can enjoy and everything. So yeah, man, but thank you guys though, and I'll put windows down and stuff for the time that I can and stuff. But yeah, man. Oh, man. Should have just went a different place or way, but it's all right, man. Yeah, I think I might go a different place. I'll probably come through this way over here right now. This car's turning, but I'll just keep it going. Super fun to drive, especially on the back roads. I'm not going too crazy as I usually would because I low-key, I don't know, like I hate the dark. If you guys don't know, I got hit by a deer one time already, so I'm like, that shit traumatized me. So now it's like I'm really scared of going back roads in the dark time. So I just be praying and hoping that nothing's actually comes out or nothing, because I do not want to go through that again. I didn't have my car for like 2 months, and that was such a pain. So it was so annoying. So I'm just hoping that nothing like that happens or anything like that. I'll probably get off right here off this back road a little closer ahead right here. All right. That turbo sounds crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Let you go, like, cause there's still. I look-y should have went. I don't know why I didn't. I don't even know where I used to go over here. Damn. It's whatever. I'll go this way.